And panning back around, the water line is back to my left, looking back east behind that school bus stop sign. Right there's the water line from earlier this morning. Looking south. Back west.